but it's going. So. All right. Hi, this is Dave from New Mac Equipment. Just doing a short video about this. I think it's an LCM L'Invincibile 2000D jointer planer. Okay, so I'll just do a bit of a walk around. Came out of the school, so I don't think it's done a lot of work. Okay, so everything seems to work okay on it. Just undo the things here. I think this has to be out of the way. See, the fence moves across, no problems. Just go back up again. Okay, show the inside. Full of sawdust at the moment, but came out of the school in excellent condition. So, this is the bit of timber that actually ran through it.